Hello, friends, and welcome to Nate's Art Lab collaboration for May. Today, our special guest is Fiona of Fiona Art. In her honor, we are doing flower dips. Well, I had an interesting challenge, and I actually did 2 of them. The first one that I show you, I'm not going to, keep it slow and show you every little thing. I'll just show you some highlights, and then we'll go into the second one. They're both very different. So I hope you will stay and watch till the end, and I appreciate you being here. We have a wonderful lineup of artists for you, so I hope you will check the playlist in my description box to make sure that you see them all. So let's get started and go down to the canvas. I'm using 2 4x12 inch, and these are the paints that I'm using. These paints actually have a cell medium in there, so you don't have to add anything. For my base, I'm using Artist Loft soft body acrylic paint mixed with Artist Loft pouring medium. And I'm keeping it fairly thin, slight mound. I discovered later that I used way too much paint, but you will see the results. I can't wait to use these paints on a regular pour because they have the cell medium in them, and I think it could be very interesting. Here you can see the sides and the back. And I love this. And having taped it off allowed me to leave it just like it is on the wood. I love how this shows the texture and the dimensions and how shiny it is. The cells coming through from that paint. I think it's incredible. These are the paints I'm using, which are the pre-mixed pouring acrylic by Master's Touch. I'm using 2 5x7 canvases for this flower dip. For my base, I'm using Amsterdam Expert Series Indigo. I didn't want it all black. I wanted it to have kind of a blue tint. And I'm not sure if it's going to show up, but we'll see. I still had some cleanup to do on the base paint, but I think this came out really amazing. Probably one of the best dips that I have done. Thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it. It was a lot of fun, however challenging it was. You could see that on the first one I used way too much paint, but I think it still came out looking like a whole field of flowers. So I like it actually. And the second one was a big surprise. I used a lot less paint. Anyway, thanks for being here. Please double check that you have the playlist ready so that you can see the rest of the artists. Bye-bye.